Are you struggling to find the best way to connect with your customers? In today's fast-paced world, effective communication is key. SMS or MMs can help bridge that gap, but which one should you choose? SMS is ideal for quick messages, think appointment reminders or urgent alerts. MMs takes it up a notch, allowing you to send images, PDF files, and links. Imagine sending a vibrant product image to capture attention instantly. Textline stands out because it lets you use your existing business number. You won't lose your identity, making the transition seamless. Plus, Textline supports integrations with major platforms like Salesforce and Shopify for easy management. By choosing Textline, you benefit from flexibility, enhanced engagement, and easy integration with your favorite tools. Say goodbye to miscommunication and hello to better customer relationships. Don't wait. Transform your business outreach today. Visit our website to get started with Textline now.